Okay, Canary Islands. I think I heard 02 Canary Islands. I'm hearing about 15 stations at first. If y'all want to kind of stay in there, I'll be able to hear you. I'm kind of hearing the stations is kind of staying in there the longest. Okay, the Canary Island station. State your full call, sir.
Okay, 74, Alpha Charlie, 010, 34, Alpha Charlie, 010, Lanzarote, Canary Island, operator name is Michael. Very good morning, Thomas, thank you.
Okay, the last numbers, is that 010 as in 010?
Yes, 010, Alpha Charlie, 010, 34.
Alrighty, my friend. Sounding great coming out here in Georgia in this mobile. My personal is Thomas, Tango Hotel Oscar, Monday Alpha Sierra, running about 400 or 500 watts, a 4-transistor amplifier that I built about 8 months ago, fully biased for sideband. And the rig I am running is a RCI Superstar 158 ED X-ray. And back to you, sir. Let me know what you're running and your personal, and we'll go to the next person there. Go ahead.
Yes, of course. My basic is the President Lincoln, and I'm a simple solar cone, vertical antenna, and 250 whiskey in the movement. Your signal is 557 here on Lanzarote, Canary Island. My operator name is Michael.
Alrighty, QSL on the 5x7 and Michael, and also that you're running a vertical antenna. Well, good deal, my friend. Make sure to jump on YouTube there later on today. I'm going to be running into town here maybe for about an hour or so. And so, I don't know, maybe about 2 or 3 hours, and I'll upload this to YouTube so you can hear how you're sounding. Just get on YouTube and look up your call sign. Just go to search and type in your call sign. Is that a QSL?
Yes, of course. I repeat. 34, 34, Alpha Charlie, 010, 34, Alpha Charlie, 010.
Hey, that is a QSL, my friend. And thank you, and I hope to get to work you in the future. Alrighty, man. QRZ and 73s, buddy.
2, 9.